Yo guys, welcome to another video on this channel. Thank you guys if it is your first time for coming or dropping by. My name is Matthew. I'm a Forex trader and I show a lot of strategies and other things concerning Forex on this channel. If it is your first time, do not leave the video before you like this video or before you subscribe to the channel. Now, with that out of the way, I know some of you guys have clicked onto this video because you want to learn how to use moving averages correctly. And I know this is because maybe you are a beginner trader and you are struggling with price action. So you want to get a strategy or you want to get a way that you can trade profitably as you learn price action. Now, many people want to force the thing down beginners' throats that you must learn price action if you want to become a successful Forex trader. Now, I know that is true, but you do not have to push that down the throat of beginner traders. You can use a moving average to profit as you learn price action, okay? Because I myself, I started with moving averages and I was profiting, okay? I was profiting. Of course, price action adds into the trading and makes it actually very, very good or more professional. But as a beginner who is struggling to learn how to trade, moving average can be a good way to trade. Now, there is a very powerful way you can trade moving averages that I'm going to show you in this video. So be sure to watch this video till the very end, because if you skip the video, you are going to miss some parts that are really important for you to learn how to trade this successfully. So I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's go onto the charts and I'm going to show you guys how you can trade a moving average successfully to make some money off of the internet. Let's go right now. So guys, we are on the charts. We are going to look at Euro USD this time. We'll look at Euro USD and I'm going to show you a very simple but very powerful moving average strategy that you can use to start winning in your trades. Now, this will be really good for beginners, guys who have been asking me for a beginner friendly strategy. Hope you guys can use this. And don't listen to people who say indicators don't work. No, indicators work, but the way you use the indicators is what makes them fail. Okay, so I'll show you guys how you can use indicators. Most especially today, we're going to look at moving averages and how you can use them. Okay, so moving averages, you're going to go to indicators on TradingView and then you're going to search moving average. I have mine here, moving average exponential, and I've loaded two moving averages. Okay, I've loaded two moving averages. So what you're going to do is you are going to edit the moving average. You're going to go to settings and edit them and change them. Okay, you're going to use a 20 period moving average, simple moving average. Okay, and then you click OK, and then you're going to use a 200. Okay, you're going to use a 200 simple moving average. Let me make this one red. Okay, so I'll make them a bit thicker so that you can be able to see clearly. Okay, make them thicker so that you can see clearly. Now we have two moving averages on the screen here. Two moving averages. Now I'm going to show you a very simple way you can trade these moving averages and you can start to get yourself profitable. I'll go back a bit behind so that I can show you this clearly, okay, without confusing you. Now, once you've loaded your moving averages onto the charts like this, what I want you to do is I'm going to show you a very simple confirmation that you're going to do when you're trading moving averages. This confirmation is going to help you avoid false signals when it comes to moving averages, okay? It's going to help you a lot. So what you do is when you see the blue or the 20 period moving average below the red one, which is the 200 period moving average, you are only looking for sells. You're looking for sells. But as you're looking for sells, I don't want you to start looking for sells just by selling anywhere, okay? Don't sell just anywhere. What I want you to do is I want you to look for sells when the price of this asset for all this instrument, for example, when the candles are above the 20 period moving average, not below, above the 20 period moving average, but the red or the 200 is also above the 20. Okay, that's where I want you to look for that sign. And also I want you to use a very simple price action technique that I'm going to show you here. What I want you to do is I want you to look at levels like here. That is a low. Okay, I want you to trade when you see that this low has been taken out. Okay, see, like here, the 20 period moving average is below the red one, the 200, and then price comes here and creates this low and goes back above the 20. Okay, and the 200 is above the 20. This is good for you to enter a trade. But before you enter the trade, I want you to wait and be patient for price to break this previous low. Okay, like here it breaks the low, and then you wait now for the price to come back above the 20 period moving average, which it does here. Okay, and then you look for your entry here. For example, you would look for an engulfing or a rejection. Like here you got a weak, hope you guys can see, let me zoom in. You got a weak rejection here off of the 200. Okay, and then you got another bullish candle but closing with a wick on both sides. Then you get this bearish engulfing candle. Now when you get this bearish engulfing, you can enter your trade there. You can enter trade when this bearish candle closes. Your stop loss above the 200 like this. Okay, 20 pips, and then you can target this previous low or look for a 1 to 2, something like this. Okay, when you trade like this, you'll get better entries. Okay, that's what I want you to do. Let me repeat. Don't take a trade when the price is below the 20 period moving average. Only take a trade when the price is between or above the 20 period moving average and the 200 period moving average is above the 20 period moving average. Okay, that's when you take a trade. And don't just take the trade, wait for the trade to break previous low and then pull back up in between the 200 and the 20 or above the 20 before you look for signs to enter. Let's look for another example. Okay, now here you can see that the price here is below the 20. It is also below the 200. Now what do? You wait for price to break this low because that's the most recent low. Okay, so you wait for price to break this black line, okay, which is the low. Now when price breaks this low here, this candle, it pulls back up, you guys can see, but it is still below the 20. Okay, so you don't take a trade here. You don't take a trade, you wait. You get a break above here. Okay, you wait because there is no confirmation for you to sell here. So it comes back below, you don't sell, you wait for it to break back up above the 20, and then you start looking for your sells around here. Okay, look for sells only around this area when the price is between or above the 20 but below, or the 200 is above the 20. This is where you look for your entries. Okay, here we got a choppy market. As you can see, market was choppy here, did give us clear direction. But of course, when you look at this whole move here, there was a choppy scenario throughout here. This whole area here was choppy. Okay, that whole area was choppy, so you can't take trades around there. You wait for price to give you a trend. Okay, so let's look for the buying side. Okay, so that I want to show you guys this, so that if you backtest and look for those entries yourself, you'll be able to see them clearly. So here we see that the price breaks above the 200 and the 20 is above the 200. So what do? We look for market structure breaks. Where is the high, previous high? Previous high is this one here. Okay, this is the previous high here. Wait for price to break above that high. Okay, so we see price breaks above the high. The price pulls back to the 20, but it is above the 20. Wait for it to go below the 20. You can see now here it comes below the 20 and comes to the 200. Then it gives us a confirmation here. You see 1, 2, 3 white soldiers. You can take your trade here, put your stop loss here or below, or look for a previous structure like this one here. This would be a wide stop, 43 pips. That's a very wide stop. Okay, that's a wide stop, but still you'd get that trade, you'd win it. You can see you'd win it. So those are the confirmations for bullish trade. Okay, you can look for many more examples here. You guys can go back test it. I've given you the procedure to do that, but you can back test. You can see even here price breaks above, you wait for previous high to be broken, which is this high here, this one. So that high is broken here. Wait for price to come below the 20, which it does here, does even here. Okay, now wait for a structure like now you see here there is a very bullish candle here, bullish momentum, which takes out this high still. So you wait for it to price again below here, then it gives you this entry. You can enter from here, stop loss below the moving average, okay, or here at this low if you want to be very safe. Okay, and then you can target whatever. You can see, get that 1 to 2. So guys, that is the moving average strategy that you can use as a beginner for you to start profiting. You can start profiting immediately. Let me show you one last example on the selling side. One last example. So here you see price breaks below. There is a low here. You can see this low is also taken out. This low is also taken out by the price. So you wait for it to come above the 20. Then you look for confirmation trades. It comes above the 20 here, but the only place you see a confirmation, a clear confirmation, is here, where you see this bearish engulfing here. Then you take your short trade here, stop loss above the moving average like this, and then you look for a 1 to 2. Guys, you can trade this moving average strategy all day long, all week long, and you can get these trades, guys. Hope this guys helps you. If this helps you, give me a like on the video, subscribe, and also comment down below with your thoughts. Ask questions where you don't understand. Thank you guys who've watched up to this moment. Go and join the free Telegram channel if you haven't yet. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. So there you have it, guys. There you have it. That's the moving average strategy that you can apply into your trading and see yourself becoming successful. Guys, help me out. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also share this with your friends on your social medias. Until next time, guys, peace and out.